Welcome to this short insights video into helping learners better understand the connections between graphs and algebra. Many learners are very capable of plotting coordinates and drawing a straight line graph, but are sometimes lost seeing the connection between a line and an algebraic equation. Here, using the two coordinates x1 and y1 and x2 and y2, a straight line is drawn. But the idea of the gradient, the steepness of the incline, is not always appreciated. This can be easily thought of as the amount they go up, the y direction, over how far they have to go along, the x direction. In this example, we go up from y equals 1 to 5, an increase of 4 units, and we go along from x equals 0 to 2, an increase of 2 units. So the gradient, how steep the slope is 4 over 2, which is 2. From this, learners will be able to visualize the general gradient formula, the change in y coordinates over the change in x coordinates, often written as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then when they have found the gradient, they can use the following formula to find the general equation of a line. Y equals m times x plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the value of y where the line crosses the y-axis. In this case, the gradient they have calculated is 2 and the y-intercept point is 1. So the equation becomes y equals 2x plus 1. A common misunderstanding is that learners use the general formula and immediately assume the gradient is the coefficient of x and the intersection is the number on its own. But they need to check that the equation starts with 1y on the left-hand side, and if not, organize the equation so that it is 1y before making the substitutions.